WIPRO ADR surged 4.55% overnight, a direct signal for the NSE Open. NYSE confirmed the move after U.S. markets closed. In the next 2 minutes, you'll know the key levels to watch on WIPRO, HDFCBANK, and INFY's before 9:15 IST. Overnight, Wall Street posted a strong session. The Nasdaq surged 3.07%, the S&P 500 climbed 1.65%, and the Dow added 0.92%. When the tech-heavy Nasdaq jumps over 3%, it usually signals higher risk appetite that tends to lift Indian IT and banking stocks early in the session. Foreign institutional investors also provisionally bought a net 200.05 crore rupees yesterday, aligning with the bullish global mood. This backdrop sets a positive tone for Indian markets at the open. Right now, while you watch this, Asian markets are trading live. Japan's Nikkei 225 has soared 4.84%, extending the U.S. momentum. Hong Kong's Seng is down 0.35%, a slight drag, but the overall Asia-Pacific tone is strongly positive. The Nikkei's nearly 5% surge tells you risk appetite is alive across the region, which could give Nifty a follow-through push at 9:15. ADRs give the cleanest overnight signal for individual NSE stocks. The standout move, WIPRO ADR rallied 4.55% on the NYSE. That's a clear indication WIPRO is set to gap up at the open. HDFCBank's ADR jumped 2.36%, also pointing to a strong start. On the flip side, INFY's ADR fell 1.19%, even as the Nasdaq surged, a divergence worth watching closely. These ADR moves directly set up our watch list for today. First on watch, WIPRO. The ADR surged 4.55%, signaling a gap-up opening. In yesterday's session, the broader Nifty rose nearly 2%, and WIPRO's domestic shares rode that wave higher. The level to watch in the first 30 minutes after 9:15 IST is the opening price itself. If the stock holds above its first trade and does not fade quickly, it suggests the overseas buying interest is being absorbed locally. Let us see if that momentum carries into HDFCBank. HDFCBank's ADR added 2.36% overnight, pointing to a positive open. The stock closed yesterday on a firm note with the market, and the ADR move reinforces that strength. In early trade, watch whether HDFCBank breaks above its first 15-minute high. That would signal sustained buying, not just a knee-jerk reaction. Keep in mind, overnight ADR movements provide clues, but they do not guarantee the day's trend. Always observe the initial cash market volume. Now, a divergence in a tech giant, INFY's. INFY's ADR fell 1.19% overnight, even as the Nasdaq vaulted over 3%. This rare divergence is a signal. The stock may open with some pressure or at least lag the broader IT rally. Yesterday, INFY's also gained with the market, so watch if it holds near yesterday's closing level in the first 30 minutes. If it slips below that, it confirms the ADR's cautionary tone. The next few minutes could set the day's direction. Top 2 things to watch in the first 30 minutes. First, Nifty's opening print. If it holds above yesterday's close of 23,622 and extends gains, the bullish composite sentiment is confirmed. Second, track the WIPRO INFY's divergence. If WIPRO rallies while INFY's lags, it could rotate leadership within it. Like this video if it helped you prepare, and comment which stock you're tracking today. Subscribe for daily pre-market briefings. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.